Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's all about organizing a beautiful home. I'm sorry I haven't posted any video recently. I apologize for the delay. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy new year. So today I came up with this video of a fairy garden. I wanted to make a garden at my place from a very long time, and finally I got time today because we removed our Christmas decoration, and this was the same bowl that you have used in my recent videos, which I have used this bowl for Diwali decor, Christmas. I have made a crib in this as well, and now I've come up with this fairy garden in this bowl. So this is how the fairy garden looks. I just made it as a piece of decor, something new in my hall room. I wanted to utilize this bowl, and this is the way I have utilized it. I have used all the items that you see. These are the puzzle items that kids get. They make the puzzle once and then it's thrown aside. So that's what my son also has done. So I used the same items and made this beautiful garden. I like the outcome of the garden and I hope you all like it as well. Please do share your comments. So this is how I made it. I used these trees and I put a bird onto the tree. I've put trees around. This is the same, what do you call it, the cage, or the surrounding of the house that I used in the previous video. There are a lot of plants also that I used in the previous video, which I've used here as well. I used some items that were available and made this garden. I gave an entrance here, and this is how I put the road to the house. This is how the house looks. I've put decoring with balloons out. This is the same house that I used in the crib as well. These are the plants. I've made a swimming pool. You get the sand of different color. I used a blue color sand because I didn't want to put water inside. And I've decorated the surrounding of the pool with pebbles. I've given it a gate. I've placed a lantern. And then I made a small sit-out garden with a chair as well. These are all that come in these puzzles that you get for kids. So my son has just thrown them aside. You can see a cycle here. And I made this garden with grass towards one side. I've decorated it with pebbles, some plants, and that is a piece of the house that I just used to show it as a house there. I've decorated some plants right around. Again, I had some lanterns as well. And this is how I've been creative and made not too complicated, not much time consuming garden. It hardly took me 5 to 7 minutes to just set it up. This is the same plastic grass that I have used in my previous videos as well, and I made it look like a lawn. So this is how the garden looks. I would try different gardens right now. I just wanted to see how would this work out. So this is the fairy garden. I know there's no fairy in, but you can say it's a decorative piece in this bowl, which gives this bowl a different look compared to the previous looks that I had. I had this as a Diwali decor with water and flowers. Then I used the same bowl for the Christmas crib, and now I've made this into a garden. I really like the way it looks. I hope you all like this video. I would definitely come up with creative decors, do it yourself videos, and thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for sharing the video, and also for reviewing and commenting, taking the time out and commenting. I would work more on the feedback that has been provided by all of you. I really appreciate all of you taking out the time and watching these videos. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all, and have a good day. Bye.